Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, April 30th, and here's our ELA lesson. All right, let's start with our I can statements. Oh, I got an S at the end, meaning there's more than one, plural. Okay, here's our first I can statement. I can decode words with the vowel sound O-O, like in oon, moon. So what sound does that O-O make in ooh, no, ooh, right, nice job. All right, but what do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do, boys and girls? We need to, say it with me, break it down. Let's break it down. Say, I can. Nice job. Decode. What does decode mean? Sound out or stretch out. Words with vowel. All right, give me a vowel. Right, A. What's another one? E. What's another vowel? I. O. U. Sometimes Y. And W. Sound O-O. So the vowels we're working with are O-O. In, like in moon. Ooh, no, moon. Nice job. All right, let's check out our next I can statement. Help me out, boys and girls. Let's read it together. I can decode words with suffixes F-U-L and L-Y. What do we need to do to this I can statement? What do we need to do? We need to break it down. Break it down. I can, say it, I can decode. What does that mean, boys and girls, decode? Sound out, right? Sound out or stretch out. Words with suffixes. Now, who remembers? Is a suffix at the beginning of a word or at the end? Suffix is at the end. So it's at the end of a word. So it's an end of a word. And we have F-U-L, full, full, and L-Y, lee, lee. Alrighty, so let's read this back again. Ready? I can, say, I can decode, sound out words with the end sound, F-U-L, full, and L-Y, lee. Alright, that's what we're going to be reviewing today, boys and girls, because we did it last week, and we're going to review it today, because on Thursdays we always review what we learned from the week before. Alright. Let's start with, and I'll erase my board so I have room to put my cards up. All right, let's start with this one. Does it look straight? Yes, okay. This is a picture of what, boys and girls? The moon. And I'm going to write that right up here so you can see it. Let's sound it out. Ready? Pointing to it. Ooh, no, moon. Right, we start here. We go through and we sound it out. Moon. Okay. Alrighty, boys and girls, please get out your whiteboard and your marker because we're going to build some words together. Ready? All right, on your board, and I'll write them up here so you can see it. On your board, I would like you to write the word. Ready? Ooh, ooh. Remember, O-O says ooh sometimes. Ooh, ooh. On your board, you write loop. Ooh, ooh. Loop. Please write that down. Nice job. Write loop. Nice job. All right, ready? erase the O and write st. 2 letters, boys and girls. Erase the O and write a st. And I'm going to put them underneath so we can see all of our words. St is S-T. Ooh. What's our new word? Ready? Let's sound it out together. Let's decode it. Stoop. Stoop. Sometimes people call their front porch a stoop. Stoop. All right, ready? Change the P to an O. What's your new word? So you're going to erase the P and put an O. What letter makes an O sound? Oh, you can't really see my ass. Okay, ready? Let's decode this one together. Ooh-oh. What's the word? What was the word? I think I heard you say it. Stool. Nice job. Ooh-oh. Yeah. You can sit on a stool. Sometimes use a stool to get up to the sink. In our classroom, we have a little red stool. All right, ready? Erase the S. What's the new word? Yeah, I didn't tell you to add anything. Erase the S. All right, let's decode this one together. Ready? Ooh, oh. What's this word? Ooh, oh, tool. Like you might need a tool to fix something. Like, if your bike, if the chain falls off your bike, you might need a tool to get it back on. All right, last word. Ready? Erase the T and put a P. What's your new word? These are really fun to play in and / swim in the summer. What's the new word? P. Ooh, oh. What's the word? Pool. Nice job. Great job. All right, let's go back through these and just read them together to make sure we really understand the sound. We hear the O in moon, right? Ooh. Okay, ready? Moon, right? Ooh, oop, loop, oop, stoop. You're saying these with me. Ool, stool. Ready? Ool, tool. Next, ool, pool. Nice job, boys and girls. Really great job. All right, now we're going to review our suffixes. Do you remember what suffixes we learned last week? Right, we learned FUL, like in cheerful, right? And we learned LY, like in loudly. These boys sing loudly, right? All right, suffixes go at the end of a word. Nice job. All righty. We're going to build some more words. Are you ready? Okay. Here we go. All right. Make sure you have your whiteboard and a marker. Okay. First I'd like you to write the word. Ready? Bad on your board. B-A-D. B. Okay. Bad. B-A-D. Bad. Okay. Now, I need to put a suffix. I need to put an ending on it. Now, what ending would make sense, boys and girls? You're writing this on your whiteboard. Would it be badful? Have you ever heard anyone say badful? I definitely haven't. Or what about badly? I've heard someone say badly. Badly. So I'd like you to put the ending L-Y on bad to say badly. Badly. Right? Badly. All right. Now, ready? Get ready. Because our word's about to change. Erase the B at the beginning. Erase the B and put a S. What's your new word? What's our... Say the S. There. Is that better? Yeah, it looks... What's our new word? Ready? Well, we know our base word, right? Sad. Sadly. What's it? Sadly. Nice job. All right. Last one. Here we go. Erase the S and put G-O. Goal. Blend. Goal. G-L. All right, what's our new word? Let's look at our base one. Glad, lee. What's our word? Gladly. Nice job. Nice job. All right, for these next words, boys and girls, I just want you to look up and we're going to read them together, okay? Ooh. All right, let's read this. This is an F. Maybe it's hard to see. Okay, that's better. Yeah. Ready? Let's look at our base one. Magic E word. That E gives the O all of its superpower. So O says its name. All right, so we have ope and then full. Hopeful. Nice job. Here we go. Here's another one. All right, ready? Here's our base word. Thank, ank, our suffix full. Thankful. Nice job. All right, let's try one more. You all know this word. Play. Ready? Put our ending on it. Playful. Nice job. Great job today, boys and girls. Alrighty. Now, I would like you to get out your, let me get it, Thursday packet. It says Thursday, April 30th on the top. And we're going to start it together. Let me get it on. Okay. Most important thing we got to start with, write your name on the top. Super important. Name on the top. All right. Name on the top. All right. Here's the directions. Read each sentence. All right, we can do that. Add ly, lee, or ful, full, to the word in the little parentheses. Write the new word on the line to finish each sentence. Oh, sweet. They give you the words. We just have to decide what suffix, what ending needs to go onto it. All right, let's start this together. I'm looking at number 1. You should be following along with me. The band started sudden. Is it suddenly or sudden full? Think about it. The band started sudden full or the band started suddenly? What do you think? Right, suddenly. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to write sudden. It's in the little parentheses, so it should be spelled right. S-U-D-D-E-N, and then you're going to add your suffix, add your ly ending. suddenly. Suddenly. Nice job. All right, let's do the next one. It was a blank song. All right, we have wonder on the side. It was a wonderly song, or it was a wonderful song. Which one makes sense, boys and girls? Lee, L-Y, or full, F-U-L? It was a wonderly song. I have never said wonderly. No, that's not it. Wonderful. So W, and it's spelled right in that little thing. O-N-D-E-R, and then we have to put our ending, our suffix, F-U-L. And you kind of got to write really small. Miss Hurley is not writing small enough, and it's what's going off to the side. So try to write small, but, sometimes you run out of room. All right, let's go to number 3. The band marched blank, and we have quick right here. All right, the band marched quickly, or the band marched quick full? What one makes sense? Quickly. So we're going to add L-Y. So you're going to spell quick, which is Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y. Quickly. The band marched quickly. All right, I'm going to leave the last two for you to do, okay? Remember, read the sentence. Be blank where you step. And we have care in the little parentheses. And then on the bottom it says, the girl sang blank, and it's sweet. Is it sweetly, sweetful? All right, turn to the next page. All righty. Here's the directions. Name, don't forget it. All right, read each sentence. Okay, we can do that. Circle the word that has the same vowel sound as moon. O-O. So what sound does O-O make in moon? Ready? Ooh. No. What sound was it? I don't think I heard you. What? I guess maybe I can't hear that well. What? Right. Ooh. Nice job. Okay. So, read each sentence and circle. Not underline. Circle. Okay. Number 1. I eat lunch at noon. Noon. Right. We're going to circle noon. Nice job. All right, let's go to number 2. Jamal puts a scoop of oats in my stall. What do you think? Jamal puts a scoop of oats in my stall. Yes! Scoop. You could be word detectives and find the words that have the O-O in them, right? All right, let's do number 3. I don't eat with a spoon. What word? Right, spoon. Nice job. And I'm going to leave the bottom 2 for you to do. All right, and on to the back. It is our beautiful, beautiful handwriting page, and I can't wait to see how beautiful you can write the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, boys and girls, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun, and I hope you did too. All right, remember, wash your hands. All right, love you. Bye.